This is a homework help video for algebra readiness. We're in the middle of our week 15 packets, and your homework this evening is page 15 of your week 15 packet. I'd like to help you with the bottom half of the page where we are reviewing how to come up with a table and write a rule and graph on an XY plane. So it says here, complete the table. We know that there are 2.2 pounds for every 1 kilogram. Well, for 1 kilogram, that's 2.2 pounds. Well, if I have 2 pounds, it's twice that amount, 2.2 times 2. For 3 kilograms, you add another 2.2, so we could use repeated addition here. 6.6, 8.8. And then it said, well, for 14, what do we got to do here? Well, you could use repeated addition, or you can multiply by 2.2. That looks like this. Don't forget to conserve your decimal. We know we have one decimal place to conserve, so we have 20.8. The rule is you take y, in order to find y, you take x and multiply it by 2.2. Now on this xy axis, we need to be able to graph those results. I'm going to go and change the pen color so it's a little more clear for us. We know that x is always on the bottom, we know y is always on the top, and this is kilograms, so we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It looks like we're not even going to get to 14. So the highest number here is going to be 8. We also need our pounds, so I'm going to say, well, 1 pound, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Notice I'm not writing my numbers in between the lines, I'm trying to write them on the lines. Okay, and then we plot these out. So I'm going to go ahead and change back to red so it's easier to see. At 1 kilogram, I'm at 2.2 pounds. At 2 kilograms, we're at 4.4 pounds. Somewhere around there. At 3 kilograms, we're at 6.6, so we're past the 6, almost to the 7. At next up here, we jump up to 8 kilograms, and it looks like I've made a mistake here. So let me go ahead and correct that. I assume that was 4. It's actually 8. So let's get that 8 out of the way. We have 8 kilograms, and it's 2.2 pounds per kilogram. So we do our math. We conserve the decimal, and we see we have a 17.6. So at 8, we have 17.6. That goes off our chart. I can then just connect these dots, and we've officially graphed the relationship between pounds and kilograms.